Let's talk about something interesting. Now, do you know that you can actually earn money online just by reusing people's content? Now, mind you, using people's content is against every law on any platform because it can actually lead to copyright claim and illegal issues. In this video today, I want to show you how you can actually reuse people's content legally to make money online just with your smartphone. Like, this is like the laziest way to make money online, and this is something that if you can actually do, you can earn more money. Mind you, this is for serious people only. This is actually for people that are actually ready to use this method to earn good money just with their smartphone. So that's what I want to show you today. Do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. So the first thing you have to actually do right here is for you to come down to Google Play Store and download this particular app right here called Screen Recorder. Click on it, download this app. Now, there are a lot of screen recorders right here. Now, you're going to see that me personally, I'm actually using this particular one right here. And if you come here, you're going to see it, screen recorder. You can get this one. Some people, your phone has automatic screen recorders. Like, for example, this phone comes with its screen recorder, but this one did not. So this one I have to download it. But if your phone does not come with screen recorder, don't worry yourself. You can actually download from Google Play Store. So just come here, look for any app right here, and you download it. I'm actually going to click on this one and open it so that I'm going to show you how you can actually set up this particular app right here. Mind you, some of these apps are free. Some of them are free, while some of them you have to pay. I've been using this screen recording since 2022. I've been using this, and when I started, I did not pay any money. I used it for free. The first thing here is video. You're going to see all the videos you have recorded. Here you can come here and edit your file. If you don't have a video editor, you can see edit video, trim video, merge video, edit video, video to to gift and all this one. Now let's click on settings. Now setting, you're going to see audio setting. This is important, please pay attention. Click on audio setting. Now under audio setting right now, I'm actually recording, that's why some of these functions will not come up. You're going to see microphone right here, microphone, which is outside. The next one is actually internal. The third one is internal and external, which your microphone plus the internal audio, either a mono or a stereo type audio. So you can come down here and change your video settings. Me, I'm using 1080p at 14 megabytes per second. Video segment size, you can click on this if you want to record a segment of your video. Shake to stop, which means if you shake your device, it will stop recording. I don't want that. Hide recording, result pop. And this is what they call floating ball. This ball you're seeing on my screen, this one now. Now the next one is face cam. Now this face cam, if I click on face cam right here, you can see that my face will be showing right here. You can see that it's very, very important. You can choose to enable that. Screenshot and brush. This is the brush. You can see this is the brush. You can use it to highlight anything you want to highlight. This one is voice changer. You can actually change your voice. Maybe you're recording your audio or something. Time recording, you can do that. Region recording, you can see customize floating balls. You can actually change the size, the shape, and the rest. You can see show touch. You can show your touch so that even if you're touching your screen, it will be showing. If you don't want, you leave it. Just come here and go through this. So this is very, very simple. All right, guys, so don't mind that guy talks too much. This process is very simple. Now all what you have to do, just go to your favorite celebrity social media page and follow the person. That is all. Follow the person. It might be Davido, it might be Pella, it might be any celebrity you like, especially Pella. You know, those ones that like going live a lot. You understand? That's step one. Now step two, once you follow them, make sure you stay on their page. Well, the downside to this is that you have to buy a lot of data because you need to be sleeping on their pages. You know, that's the downside to all this plan. But you need to have a lot of data. Now you stay on their page, you watch their live. Of course you have to watch their live, you know, you enjoy, because these are people you love watching a lot and good. So you have to watch their live. That is the step two. You watch their live, you know, everything they do. Now the third step is that you record their live session. You screen record it. Remember, I showed you guys how you can set up that your screen recorder. And the thing is that you need to record the internal audio, not external. Record the internal audio. Remember, I showed you how to set up internal, external, and both, but you need to use internal audio. That's number two, because you need to have good audio quality. And also you need to hide that floating ball on the screen. You need to hide it. Remember, I showed you how you can do that. Now, once you're done with this, record it, take the video, go to that screen recorder and edit it there. You don't have to do too much. All what you have to do, just put it there, cut out the part you don't like. You understand? Cut out the part you don't like, but you don't have to. You might decide to just record it and post it like that. You understand? It's still okay. But if you can edit it, use InShot to edit, use CapCut, and use that screen recorder to edit. Go and create a Facebook page, create a Facebook fan page. Remember, I told you that. Create a Facebook fan page. Once you're done with the Facebook fan page and customize the page, I created a video on how you can create a Facebook page. Do well to check out that video. Create a Facebook fan page, customize the page. You can create a YouTube channel, but I really recommend a Facebook page, which will be very, very important. Now, once you're done, take those videos you finish recording and post it on Facebook. Post it on Facebook, post it on Facebook, repeat it over and over and over again. Once you keep repeating it over and over and over again, from there you start having views. From there you start having views. You start building a community. You start having views. You start building a community. From there, once you have 5,000 followers on Facebook and 60,000 minutes viewed on Facebook, Facebook will send you a notification like the one you're seeing on my screen. You can monetize your page and start making money from your Facebook page. Remember, you can still do promotion with this particular page. You can still use this page to do affiliate. You can still do sponsorships with this particular page and still earn money. This is how you can make money on Facebook without you owning that particular content. This is from your favorite celebrity. You just get the content from them, you repost it on your own page, your own Facebook fan page, and you earn money from this particular content. But don't forget, this process actually takes time. You can do this and make money tomorrow. No. If I do that, I'm lying. This process actually takes time. It takes time for you to build and grow a Facebook page, especially if you're a complete beginner. It actually takes time. But if you're patient enough to actually see this through, you can make a lot of money. I'm going to give you 3 months of consistent effort. 3 months of consistent effort. 3 good months of full effort with this particular method, and you will thank me later in the comment section. I'm telling you nothing but the truth. 3 months of good effort of recording their live session. Remember, please, only live session. Don't go and start recording people's videos. They will give you copyright strike. Please, only live session. Only live session. Only their live session. That is all. Please don't go and use people's videos except it's a reaction video you want to do. Please. But if you're creating a fan page, use only their live videos, record it, create a page for that, post it consistently, and from there you can actually monetize that page and earn money from that. This is one of the best methods to earn money right now, just with your smartphone. Even if you don't want to create content, I'm telling you. That's why if you go on Facebook, if you go on TikTok, there are hundreds of pages are called Pella and Jarvis, Davido, Wizkid fan page, Burna Boy fan page, Nas Boy fan page, Sabinus fan page. This is what they are doing. They are not telling you. This is the same thing that they are doing, and they are making money from this. They are not telling you. Tell me in the comment section if you're going to use this method to earn money for yourself.